All right, y'all, we finna get in the kitchen and make ourselves a sandwich. All right, y'all, so we are going to start by thinning out this chicken breast. I'm going to slice it in half and in between 2 pieces of parchment paper. I think it's a mallet, but I'm going to use the back of a knife to just kind of tenderize this and thin it out a little more. And then I'm going to season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a little bit of cayenne on both sides. All right, and then I have a plate of flour. I'm going to add that same seasoning mixture to the flour, mix it around. I'm going to put some of that into a metal bowl, maybe about 3 or 4 scoops, say about 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to incorporate some water with that. So we're basically going to do a dry and then wet mixture, and then add some breadcrumbs. To the breadcrumbs, I'm going to add some salt and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. As always, I appreciate my returning viewers. Hope you guys are having a good start to your week. All right, so I have my chicken breaded. I am on medium high, going to add in a little bit of vegetable oil and about a tablespoon of butter. I am going to fry this chicken breast maybe about 5 minutes on each side because they are rather thin. All right, up next, we're gonna make our garlic aioli. It's just mayonnaise, some minced garlic, some lemon juice, salt and black pepper, and then some fresh chopped parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, you can use dry parsley as well. Just gonna mix that together and let it chill. All right, then I am going to chop some tomatoes, a red onion. I have some fresh arugula. And then I am going to toast my bread. Going to use sourdough bread. You can use any kind of bread or roll that you like. I am also going to add in some creamed cheese, like a garlic and herb or scallion and herb cheese. That just adds another depth of flavor to it. That is optional, but I definitely recommend it. And then I'm going to add in a few slices of prosciutto, and we're going to get this thing assembled. Y'all, I always say my stuff is good, but I love me a good sandwich. This was tasty and it didn't take long at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Talk to y'all later. Bye.